Hi, so my first topic for social justice would be healthcare. Um, Healthcare really affects the citizens of like every single nation. Affordable healthcare would really make it relate to social justice because healthcare is not the same for everyone. Like I know I went to Guatemala last week and healthcare is really like non-existent there. The government doesn't make it a priority. And also, with their healthcare, there's only about one hospital in every single city, so it's almost impossible to be able to see a doctor there. Social justice really does. This would relate to me when it relates to social justice because I know like if you don't have good health insurance, your copays or anything is going to be really expensive. So my hope is that the healthcare system can improve in this. My second social justice would be for like the LGBTQ rights, and this is because like a lot of people are discriminated in this matter based on who they like, who they don't like, what their preferences, and like I know the Supreme Court, they've banned in a lot of states like same-sex marriage, and getting it legalized in the states is really hard. The community is also taking a very hard hit right now as there was 4 different laws passed just this week on going against the LGBTQ community. So my hope is that these people are able to get like the same rights as everybody else gets. And then finally, my last point would be racial equality because throughout all of history, we've seen racism experienced. Back in the day, obviously it was with slavery, and I mean with a lot of movements going on such as like Black Lives Matter, it's brought more like public awareness to like racial injustice that's been going on. And I know like I've experienced it with a lot of my other friends and see that they've had to go through it, and my hope for my future is basically that my friends will be able to get more justice for them and be able to treat it fairly, whether it's by just human beings on the street, going to get their jobs, and finally, like, even in the healthcare system, because it's statistically proven that they often don't get as much help. So, yeah.